Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got 4 massive projects for you. They are all these new stands. I call them the everything stand or the slotted stand. So I'm going to tell you the difference between the two, and then both versions come with a tall version or there is a short version, so they are 2 separate file systems, making it 4 total. So just keep an eye out on that on the website. If you want any of these, they're on freshstartcustoms.com or Fresh Start Customs on Etsy. Just look for my shop there. Links will be in the description below. But I designed this modular stand here, or the everything stand is what I call it, so you can make it infinite. It'll go as long as you want, and then you can make various shapes off of this too. Super cool, so you can turn this into a square, so you can take this one off, put it in the back, and then just remove this one entirely. Then it's like an actual square stand-up base. I'll throw some photos of that at the end of different shapes and sizes you can do this, but you can go wild with it. You could even make it into like an L shape if you wanted to. Whatever way you want to come up with it, you can design it there. But essentially, this is the everything stand. I call this one that because it comes with the little boxes / trays is what I call them. And then it comes with the shelves. I put these little figurines on there, but I've seen people put business cards on there already. That's a really cool idea. And then there is the hooks as well. So it comes with hooks as well. So you can put those anywhere you want in any order that you want. The trays and the shelves also come with multiple sizes. I think I made it up to 6 slots wide and all the way down to 1 slot deep. So there's all sorts of sizes that you can make for boxes and trays too. So just a heads up on that. I do recommend putting a slight dab of glue on your trays and your shelves here, just so they hold together better. Right now, mine's all curve fit, but if you want to do that, if you want to make them permanent, that's what I'd recommend. And then don't glue the actual stand together. It all gets held together by these inserts here on the sides. Hopefully you guys can see that. But those inserts will hold the stands together here. And then you can pull this all apart, make it completely flat, and then you're good to go at your craft shows there. The nice thing about this is like a low profile one. I've seen other modular stands, but they're kind of in a different shape that takes up most of your table. This one is a nice low profile here, so you got all this room for like coasters, whatever you want to put on there. And like I said, they're all connected here on the back. So if I want to pop this tray off, you just slide it up from the back here. And then you can remove this. It's got no backing, but that's because there's a back on here. And then you can slide this down or move it wherever you want to move it to. And then push them into the slots. Make sure it's flush, and then you can just push them down into their spots there, just like that. These also make really cool like cell phone holders, so you can put your cell phone in there, just like that. Whatever you want to put in there, it'd be cool for like if you sell stickers, you can put stickers in there. You can hold your keychains, Christmas ornaments, all sorts of stuff that you want to display there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Now there is the slotted version that only comes with the hooks, but they have like a system that you will push into one of these slots, and then there's a slider that you can slide your hooks back and forth. I'll go ahead and throw those in at the end as well. So just keep an eye out. There are 4 different versions. This is the tall version, which is 18 inches, and then the short versions are about 10.75 inches. So if you're like sitting at your table, and you want to be able to see over the table there, you can do the low profile ones. If you want like a tall profile, you can do that too. So just keep an eye out on those. There's 4 different types, and I hope you guys enjoy this project here. It's super fun. Like I said, you just pull this up, and that's all it takes right there. You no longer have that side, and you can put that back here, make your rectangle, so if somebody walks around, it could be on the opposite side. Whatever you want it to be, however you want to design it. You can just slide them back into place or slide them wherever you want. Just be careful when you slide them together. And that's pretty much it. Just like that, you can build any stand that you want as long as you want. They do come with end cap options, and they do come with smaller or longer widths depending on which version you get. So there's so many options that I've included in this. I hope you guys enjoy it. Other than that, that's the review for this product, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.